Hello, my name is Abola Kennedy. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to manage artstaybeats.com. So I'll just go straight to the point. There are several things we'll be covering in this tutorial. Introduction. I'll be taking you through the layout of the website. I'll show you how to edit the slide images, how to post, how to manage the background sound, and how to moderate comments in case somebody posts a comment you don't really want. So let's get started. I'm going to be giving you this slide so you can just go through it and really know what to do in case you don't want to go back to the video later when you want to work on it. But the first thing you need to know is that before you work on any part of the website, you need to log in as an admin. I have ensured to I have sent you the login details. In case you didn't get it, please let me know. So that's it. These are the steps to take if you want to edit the slide images. So before we go here, let me just take you to the website and take you through it, show you what the slide image is, and show you where the post area is. Let's go. Yeah, this is artstaybeats.com. The moment you load this website, the website will start to make sound. But you can change the sound. Let me just pause it. But you can change the sound to another song you like, and you can pause it at this right corner here, at this top right corner. You can pause the sound, you can play it here. But one thing is that once the sound, the music or the anything you play stopped playing, complete playing, it will pause automatically. It doesn't loop. I didn't make it to loop. I'll show you how to also work on the sound. You can make it loop, you can make it continue playing, but I would advise that you don't make it loop. You just let it stop playing. Now this is the header area. This is the logo of the website. This is the blog link. This is the admin login link. You can only see this link on your computer, and as a matter of fact, you may not be able to edit this website on mobile device, on mobile phone. You can work on it on any device that is 7 inches upward, any tablet and any computer, be it desktop computer or a laptop computer. You can edit the website from it. All you have to do is to click on this login. I am already logged in. It will bring you to a screen. Let me just do that in another browser so you won't get confused. Okay, don't worry. Once you click on login, you will see username and password. You press the username, you type the password, then you continue. That's how it's done. So don't let me bore you. This is the menu of the website. You don't have to tamper with these ones. They have been rightfully placed. If you need any adjustment on it, you can just get across to me. This is the slide image. These are the text on the slide images. I will show you how to edit everything, how to change the images, and how to change the text on the images as well. This area, these are the links to the website. They show both on mobile device and desktop. So if you want to work on them, you can let me know. They are a little bit technical and a little bit hard to change, so I won't be including how to change these ones in this tutorial. But you can figure it out on your own. There's no problem. I'll give you full privilege, full admin access to the back end. Just make sure that you know what you're doing when you're working on it. Yeah, this is upcoming event. It's because the upcoming event tab I put there probably expire. That's why it's not showing anything here. Normally it's supposed to show an upcoming event under this slider, and I will see what I can do to it before the end of this tutorial or this video. This is checking. Okay, check out some of our latest works. Now these are posts. These are posts. Once you post an article to the website, it automatically shows here, and the recent post automatically lists here. It may be 5, it may be 10. It depends on the number we put at the back end. But if we want to change it, if we want to increase the unit to like 10 or 20 or more than that, just tell me. I'm going to work on it for you. And this is okay. These are posts. Once you post here, automatically the post will appear. It can be up to 10 in this place area as well, and it can be more than that. So let's get started. Let's start with the slider. So I've told you, if you want to edit the slider, images, all you just have to do is to, number one, firstly logged in. Actually, I have logged in. The first time you logged in, this is where it's going to bring you to. The moment you log in, rather, this is where it's going to bring you to. It's going to bring you to the dashboard. Then on this dashboard, all you have to do is to scroll down and look for Revolution Slider. This link, look for Revolution Slider. Then click on it. You click on the Revolution Slider. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. So in order for you to edit the images, the slider images, you have to click on edit slides. Edit slides here. Well, I would advise you not to tamper with all the settings. They have been properly set there. If you tamper with the settings, it may many things may go wrong. But in case you mistakenly tamper with anything and you don't really understand, please send me an email or give me a call. You just click on the settings. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this place. Now this place, you can do two things. You can either edit an existing slide image, or you can add a new slide image. This is a new slide. If you want to add new slide image, you click on this. If you want to edit, you click on this. Now let us assume you want to add a new slide image. Once you click on it, it will pop a window. From that window, you can then upload the files you want to put on the website. Let me click on it to show you. Now I've clicked on it, it will pop this window. Normally it may pop it defaultly to this page, media library. If you already have the image you want to put on the slide already on the system, there's no problem. You just click on the image and insert image. But I will advise you, if you don't have, just come to this upload file and click on select file. Once you click on select file, it will ask you to select the image you want to use. Then you pick any of the images you have available on your computer. Then you click on open images. Open image. Then it will load the image here. Then once it's done loading, it will bring you to this place and select the image. Then click on insert. Once the image is inserted, it will come to this place and list among this one. Then you can now edit the image to write either text on it or to adjust it anyhow. But one thing you need to know is that when you want to work on images, there is a specific size that the image has to be, and you must edit it before you upload it to the website. That's very important. I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be sharing with you a video that will show you how to edit image. The video will show you how to get free images from Google. I know you must have, if you don't already know how to get images you can use. The video will show you how to get images from Google and Bing. Then it will show you how to edit the images you got from there. Then you can now make use of it from this place. So let's just make attempt to edit one of these slides. So we click on this edit slide, and it will bring us to this place. Now what you need to know is that we have two slides on the website. This one, this number one, this number two. So now on this edit slide, this is slide one, this is slide two. You can add new slide from this place. But I will advise you, don't go through this place to add new slides. Go through this place. It's easier from this place than this place. So now once you are done editing the slides, you, instead of going back or starting from the beginning, you can just click on this slide and edit. I will advise you, please Don't tamper with all these parameters. They are carefully placed and carefully arranged. But if you know you really understand what they are all about, you can go ahead. But if you make any mistake and you think it's not reversible, please let me know. Now all you just have to do is to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, boom. This is the image. Now if you want to change this image, it's very simple. You scroll up, you find this background source. This is image background. You click on change image and you can select image from the library or you can upload new image. It's as simple as that. You can upload new image. It's as simple as that. You can leave the rest the way they are. So that's it. Now this is the image in this place. The image is there. You don't need to tamper with it. Now I want to talk about the image size. The image size. I'm going to be showing you the size, but let me just find the size from this place. I think I don't know it offhand. If I click on this settings, I will know the size. One thing is that once your image is bigger than the size I set here, you may have problem with the appearance from the front end because it will automatically crop the image to fit into the size that we set for it here. Okay, don't let me bore you with this one. Let's just go straight to it. I'm going to be telling you the image size. Normally the sizes the size of an image to use, it's always between 1000 by 300 in most cases, 1000 width and 300 tall, but I think this one is a little bit more than that. This is 1000 width and like 400. Okay, this is 500 is 1000 by 500, 1000 by 300, 1000 by 400. This is 1000 by 400. You make the width 1000, that is from this place like this to this place. You make it of the image, the width, you make it 1000. Then you make the height from this place like this to the top 500. That's when you want to edit the image. How to edit the image, I have a video that I'll put you through. I've told you before. I'm going to be giving you the link. Now let's say this is we are here working on the modification. So if you want to edit this text, I already showed you how to change the image. To edit the text, all you have to do is to click on the text. You can double click on the text, then scroll down, This is the text here. This is the text here. You can change the text to anything you want. Welcome to our State-Based Studios. Welcome to our State-Based Studio. Then you can decide to change it to anything you want. If you want to change the second text, you can just click on it here. Instead of going back upward, you can click on it in this place. Then change an independent professional recording studio. So you can change it. If you want to add more text, what you have to do is to click on add layer, add layer. Once you click on the add layer, it will bring this caption. Then you can double click on this caption and change the text to something like you're welcome. So you can change the text. And there's one more important thing. You need to give the text a color or a font. This is the new layer we added. This is the new text. For you to move this text to wherever you want it to be, all you just have to do is to click on it and drag it and drop it wherever you want it to be. You may not want to tamper with it from this angle. You may not want to. I will not advise you to adjust the size from this place. Instead, you can just change the pattern. So change the pattern once you have selected the text here or there, you come to this style and click on the style. You can preview the style by mousing. Once you mouse over the styles to preview them, you can preview them. Let's choose this large BG example. So if you check the image, it must have changed to that. As you can see, it has changed to this. So if you want to change this one as well, any of these ones, if you want to change their style and color, all you just have to do is to come to this place and look for any of the style that has a color you want to use and the style you want to use. So as you can see, as I'm mousing over it, it's changing. It's giving me examples. So we can decide to use this one or this one or this one. Let's use this one. So once you just click on it and check the text, boom, it's quite big. It's quite big. That's it. It's quite big this time around. That's what you got from that. Now there is one thing you need to know about this place. Okay, now you can change it. You can change the positioning from here, but I advise you don't use this menu to change the positioning. You can just drag it and drop it wherever you want it. But if you think that's okay, there's no problem. If you use this positioning, if you click on middle, it will centralize the text above. But because you have tampered with it initially, it will work based on the ratio it already has. I don't know if you understand. So that's why I said you should just drag it and drop it wherever you want it. So that's it. You can change it. You can change the style here because that one is quite big and it's not fitting. You can change it to, if you change it to this one, let's see what we got. Alright, so this is it. You can move it to anywhere you want. You can change it to a smaller one, and you can change to another one with different color, and another one with different color. There's something you should note here. This is the start, this is the end, this is the timing of the rotational timing of the text. Take for instance, once the slides start moving up and down, the first thing that will show is the image, followed by the first text, followed by the second text. As you can see, all this one showed instantly is because something is probably not right with the settings. So if you start this one from 500, it shows all by 9,900. You can start this one from, let's say, a little bit, anything above 500. You can decide to start it from like 1000. So once the time reach 1000 milliseconds, 1000 milliseconds is milliseconds, it's not up to 1 second, so milliseconds, it will change. It will bring out this particular layer, and then you can change this one to, let's say this one is 600, this one should be around 700 or 800. Start from 700, 800, then ends at let's say 1100, because if it ends at 10,000, it will display the same time with this one. So that's it. So that's what we got there. So once you are done with the slide, what you just have to do is to come to this, scroll down, and update slide. I will not be updating the slide now because I've tampered with it and I don't want to go through the stress of changing it. But I assure you, if you follow this tutorial closely to edit the slides, once you click on this update, you should update here, and all you have to do is to reload the website, and you will see the change. If there's anything you do not understand from this place, you can just send me an email with a screenshot of the problem, so that with a screenshot of the source, so that it's easy for me to identify the problem. And I think that will be all. I think for now that will be all on the. This will be all on the slide image. If you want to go to the second slide, you have to do is to click on this one. It will load the web page here, and that's it. Once it loads, you don't have to necessarily come back to this place. Just click on this second slide to load it, and boom, we have it here. So you can just scroll down, and change it. In case you don't know how we got here, all you just have to do is to watch this video once again, or just follow the instruction on the slide. Step 1, step 2, step 3a, step 3b, step 4, step 4b, and I think that will be all. So for now, I will close this session here, and we continue in another clip of the video, so that it will be easy for you to watch. Thank you.